Did you know that heavy, unoptimized images are usually the #1 reason websites load slowly? If your site takes longer than 3 seconds to load, you are actively losing traffic, sales, and your SEO rankings. Today, we're going to be counting down the top 5 image CDNs to speed up your site. While there are a few good options out there, I'm going to show you why Gumlet takes the #1 spot as the best way to instantly boost your site's performance. First project we're having a bit of a look at is Cloudflare Images. It's pretty basic. It does the job, but you kind of need to be more on their paid tiers to really make use of everything that they truly have to offer. It is a massive CDN space, which actually offers basic image resizing at the edge. For beginners and non-developers, this is a slight negative. Okay, so we are on Imgix now, and Imgix essentially specializes entirely in image processing through a robust rendering API. It has pretty good technical capabilities and is actually respected among developers, particularly for mobile apps and custom websites. However, the pricing can be quite unpredictable, as it's based on a complex origin of images. So when it comes to sites and businesses trying to manage a budget, that unpredictability isn't going to be helpful. Cloudinary, on the other hand, is an incredibly feature-rich program. It handles both images and video optimization flawlessly. It really is one of the industry standards with a massive suite of developer tools. However, the platform can feel overwhelming, especially for beginners, because of their huge range of different features and tools. If you're just setting up a WordPress site, it might be a bit of overkill. Bunny CDN is actually very cost-effective and straightforward when it comes to general image optimization add-ons. It really offers great value for money and has an extremely easy-to-use interface. Despite it being a great budget choice, it does lack some of those more complex AI tools that may be required for certain projects, like AI-driven visual quality adjustments on the fly, which are more likely to be found in premium tools. I actually really do like Bunny.net, and it's an easy runner-up in second place. #1, though, has to go to Gumlet. It's like this complete out-of-the-box media optimization infrastructure that anybody can use without having to have any unnecessary complex coding skills. It really is the ultimate solution because it kind of like combines the power of Cloudinary with the simplicity of Bunny CDN, but the dashboard's really easy to use as well, and it uses smart detection to automatically resize your images perfectly for mobile or desktop screens. So it's really good like that, while also converting them into next-gen formats such as WebP or AVIF. It also shrinks the file sizes by essentially up to 60%, with zero loss in actual visual quality. Really impressive on that front. Okay, so we're basically going to do a little demonstration about connecting a new web store. So it's really cool. We're going to go to this little section here. I'm actually going to show you how easy it is. Say, for example, it's for WordPress. We're going to go ahead and create that source. So we're going to go ahead and press continue here and just show you how easy this really is to get set up. Okay, so we've got the website URL in place there. Got the subdomain name set up there. Going to go ahead and get that set up. Yeah, okay, so that's been eyed. It's active. It was created 1 minute ago. Fantastic. How easy is that? Did you see how fast it was to actually go ahead and generate that? Really easy. You got the different parameters there as well, custom domain section, security, everything's here. You can verify as well. You got the different integration capabilities as well. So for example, yeah, we switched that over to WordPress and hit integrate. It's really cool because you can actually verify the URL source as well. So let's pop ours in there and hit verify if we need to. Go ahead and get that integrated. And yeah, boom, there it is. There's also HubSpot, which we can go ahead and connect as well. We've also got a really handy analytics section here within the dashboard that we can actually check out too. There's a playback section within the analytics as well. Okay, we can have a look at that. We've got a sample property there too. We can take a look at that dashboard. We can basically see our views, whether it's by day, the playtime. It's all here. Stop letting massive image files ruin your SEO and frustrate your visitors. Out of all the CDNs we looked at today, Gumlet is hands down the smartest way to speed up your site. Click the link in the description below to try Gumlet and watch your page load times drop instantly. If you enjoyed today's video, please take a moment to hit the like button. It really does help us out. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out when a new banger video comes out, and comment down below which of these projects was your favorite. My pick is Gumlet. Have a good day.